Number 1. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,400. This truck has approximately 135,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a gold exterior paired with a beige interior, and it runs on gasoline, well maintained and thoughtfully upgraded. This Chevy includes several key features such as a towing package, a reverse camera, and a Sony radio with a CD player for added convenience and entertainment. The vehicle also comes with a hard truck bed cap, front and rear fitted mats, and a protective undercoating to ensure durability. Recent updates and replacements enhance both its performance and appearance. These include a new dashboard, new catalytic converter, 3 new O2 sensors, and new front and rear shocks. The left fender, front and rear bumpers, and brake lines have been replaced, while the starter and 2 front tires are also new. Additionally, the hood and truck bed cap have been freshly repainted, giving the truck a cleaner, refreshed look. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, showing 224,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a beige exterior and a gray interior that remains in excellent condition, free of any rips or tears on the seats or headliner. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and a 5.7L V8 engine, this truck delivers strong and reliable performance, starting and running smoothly. It has been well cared for over the years, with regular maintenance and new tires recently installed. Inside, it offers modern comfort and convenience thanks to an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto-compatible touchscreen stereo system. The frame is in good condition, showing only surface rust, though the bed supports could use attention, and the rear bumper may need replacement. The brakes perform well, and the heating system warms up quickly, while the air conditioning functions properly, though it isn't the coldest. Number 3. 1987 Ford F250, price $10,000, well-preserved diesel pickup with only 78,000 actual miles on the odometer. Featuring a 6.9L diesel engine paired with a manual transmission, this extended cab truck runs and drives like new. It has been recently updated with new tires, fresh batteries, and a rebuilt injection pump. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by a clean red interior that has been exceptionally well maintained. Having been stored in a barn for most of its life, the truck comes with a clean and clear title and is described as running excellently. The heat is fully functional, though the air conditioning is currently inoperative. There is only a small rust spot on the lower section of the driver's side cab, but overall, the vehicle remains in remarkable condition for its age. Number 4. 1965 Ford F100, price $10,000. Under the hood, it's equipped with a rebuilt 360 FE engine with only 500 miles since the rebuild, paired with an Edelbrock carburetor, MSD distributor, and a 6AL ignition box. It also features a Compcams camshaft, hooker headers, and dual 40 series Flowmaster exhausts, giving it a deep, aggressive tone and strong performance. The truck delivers a truly engaging driving experience with its 3-speed manual toploader floor shift and power steering. It comes with manual drum brakes and is fitted with vintage air AC and heat for comfort in any season. The front end has been rebuilt with new bushings and ball joints, and newer shocks have been installed. Ensuring a smooth and stable ride, all electrical components function properly, including the headlights and horn. The paint shows its age, with faded clear coat on horizontal surfaces, and there are rust spots along the drip rails and lower doors. The floors have already been replaced, and the fuel tank remains behind the seat. The radio is in place but currently has no speakers installed. Number 5. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, features a manual transmission with a burgundy exterior and a tan interior, powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine. The truck is in excellent overall condition, having been well maintained and always kept in a garage. Its interior is exceptionally clean, with all buttons and controls in perfect working order, while the exterior remains equally impressive, highlighted by stylish wheels and durable tires expected to last until fall 2026. The engine runs smoothly, and the manual gearbox shifts effortlessly, reflecting consistent care and maintenance. It also comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, strong heating, a new battery, and fresh oil, ensuring it's ready for the road. Number 6. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,499, featuring a gray interior, automatic transmission, and a reliable gasoline engine. With 239,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven to be a durable and dependable vehicle that still runs and drives excellently. The truck holds a clean title and has been carefully maintained, showing no mechanical problems or warning lights of any kind. Both the cold AC and heater function perfectly, making it comfortable to drive in all weather conditions. Known for its practicality, strong build, and timeless design, this Ranger is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a great little work truck that delivers consistent performance, reliability, and classic Ford toughness.
Number 7.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It's powered by a 6.2-liter diesel engine paired with a factory-installed 4-speed manual transmission, providing strong low-end torque and a true vintage driving feel. The truck features a 2x4 drivetrain, showing 187,000 miles on the odometer, and comes finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless, cohesive look. Although it shows some areas of rust and could use minor cosmetic attention, the body remains solid and structurally sound, making it a great foundation for light restoration or everyday use. On the road, it runs and drives as it should, with the transmission shifting smoothly through all gears, maintaining the reliable performance these diesel-powered Chevrolets are known for.
Number 8.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, finished in blue inside and out. This truck retains its original metal body panels, making it an exceptionally solid survivor. Powered by a 307 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs, drives, shifts, and stops reliably, offering a fun and engaging driving experience. The clutch performs well, and the brakes are in good working order, making it road-ready while maintaining its vintage charm. There is no rust above the windshield, and the original rockers, cab corners, and all 4 cab floor supports remain in excellent condition. It rides on 8-inch wide steel wheels fitted with classic dog dish hubcaps, adding to its timeless appeal. Inside, the original blue paint and interior have been well preserved, showing only minor wear on the factory seat. The factory wood bed is still intact, giving the truck an authentic, period-correct feel.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800. This truck has 234,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission.
It comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, running on gasoline.
This truck is mechanically solid and ready to hit the road. Powered by a strong and dependable 4.3L V6 engine, it delivers reliable performance that's perfect for everyday driving. The clean interior and classic body style showcase the timeless appeal of the Chevy 1500.
Well maintained and in good overall condition, this truck makes an excellent choice as a daily driver, a dependable work truck, or even a weekend restoration project. Number 10.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, finished in a classic green exterior. It has been thoughtfully upgraded and maintained by a single owner. It features aftermarket headlights equipped with LEDs and switchback turn signals, along with a grille sourced from a 1999 Tahoe, giving it a refreshed front-end appearance. Under the hood, it runs on a V6 4.3L engine and has received new engine gaskets, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The truck has also recently undergone a fresh oil change and comes with a new gas tank and pump, as well as a new battery. Inside, the radio and air conditioning are fully functional, and the bench seat has been upgraded to a newer model for added comfort. Although it needs a new windshield wiper arm, it already includes a new motor for it.
The tires remain in good condition, ready for the road.